All right, guys, Anthony here, Super Service. It's Tim's turn. 102,000 miles, hot no start. Let's get some screens set up here. This is an 06. It's studded. We're gonna, I don't know, maybe it's a dummy plug. Wouldn't that be nice? We're ready. Hopefully it's not injectors or anything, but yep, hot no start. Hang on just a second. Let's get some stuff. It's Vince 06. All right, we just got a whole bunch of ABS transfer case codes. Not sure if we have an issue with four-wheel drive. Nothing really. Drivetrain, brake pressure, transducer. I'm not sure if the brake controller works or not, but we'll get with that in a second. Hang on. Okay, I'm not sure. We had a drivability issue. EVP's okay. Battery volts are a hair low. It appears to be all right. All right, we're gonna basically watch high pressure oil and see if that's. Let's see what we got for a cold start here. There's FICM at the top, IPR at the bottom. Watch IPR at the bottom. It's cold though, so we don't want to see 84. Here we go. Oh, hang on. All right, let's try this again. FICM at the top, IPR at the bottom. We're gonna do cold start on the injectors too. Here we go. It kind of bounced around a little bit. It starts pretty smooth. Yeah, the sun sucks. Let's just see what we got. I know you can see the big old glare in there. Number 3, a little bit. Number 1, number 3. We like to look at this because if it's a hot no start, it justifies even more for replacing injectors rather than top injector freaking O-rings. Because I'm not messing with, I don't, look at number 7 too. Seven and 3 right now, hang on. Got a little bit of noise going on when you go over bumps in the front end. Who knows? Okay, he's got a live wire in here, so I'm sure, I don't know what screens he's got set up, but I'm sure the oil cooler, that'll be an easy test. We can check that when we, well, who knows? We're going on a test drive right now. Well, let's try to get it warm. Try to replicate the hot no start. Okay, so I'm running it down. We got it, I'll have to scroll up. We'll see what temperature we got. We're at 201 oil, 195 coolant, which is a little warm. I got the air conditioner running, trying to warm it up. Oops, I have not been able to hit 84 in IPR, so it's not looking so good, but it is tuned. So IPR percentage is not maxing out. So we're just gonna have to get it hot, drive it back to the shop, and see if it hot no starts. So hang on. Okay, it's running a little low, or a little hot. I mean, 197, that's too warm. I imagine the fan clutch probably getting a little weak. Because it should be engaged, somewhat engaged. It's a percentage, especially when I got the air on. But running down the highway, it's 85 degrees out, 195 degrees, it just dropped a little bit. I mean, it's a little warm. I wouldn't suspect the thermostat. I mean, thermostat's cheap and easy, but probably fan clutch. We'll check it here in a minute, hang on. All right, we're back in the shop. Cooled off, 199 degrees oil. So it's warm. Shut it off. Fan speed was showing 500, so I mean, maybe we don't need to pick on it too damn much. Let's watch IPR, let's see what ICP did, see if it's all the way down to 0. Come on. Oh, hey. Okay, hang on, let me get. All right. ICP dropped all the way down. Let's see what happened. All right, so See if IPR. Alright, the fact that IPR is not maxing out. As of right now, it's not high pressure oil. So we've got another issue. It is warm. Let's shut it off for a second. Hang on. Okay. In a minute. Let's see. Let it reset. Alright, there we go. Here we go. Well, crap. I guess unfruitful. I might make another video if we get it to no start. I'm just gonna, I guess we're just driving around a little bit. Maybe we'll drive to lunch, caution the wind, see if it leaves us stranded. That sucks. But I think that's what we're looking at. We need to drive it a little more and see if we can make it happen. But right now, I mean, it's working. It's starting. Wonderful. Intermittent crap. That sucks. Wish it would just break all the way. But oh well. Let's see. We're going to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and upload the video. All right, guys. Have a good day. Well, let's do it one more time. One more time. Here you go. IPR ICP is the top. Here you go. Damn it, man. Alright, I'll upload the video. We'll make another one if I find a culprit, or if any updates come up, or if we get stranded by a hot no start or a no start. We'll make a video of it. Alright, have a good day, guys.